Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how we can insert table to Microsoft Word in different ways and work with table professionally. If you see it helpful, like it, leave a comment and subscribe. Let's start. Method 1. First, you have to determine the location of the table. For example, I put table here. Then from insert, here we have table icon. You can directly see the column and row you can add. You see how it changes. Okay. For example, you inserted the table and you forgot a column. Just click here, then right click. Here we have insert option. You can insert a column to the left or to the right. For example, I insert a column to the right of the column I just determined. You see, directly you can add another column. Also for here, for example, you want to add another row. Just select this row, then right click, insert row above or below. For example, I want to row below. That's the way to change it. Also, you can modify it. For example, I want to divide this one to multiple spaces. Select it, right click, split cell. For example, I want 3 column and 2 row. You see how it changed? You can do it for the other columns also. Now to delete it, just click here, right click, delete table. Let's use the method 2. First, we have to again determine the location. Okay. Then from insert, click this icon, insert table. Here it directly gives us the number of column and row. For example, I need 10 column and 5 row. You have fixed column with this auto fit with the content auto fit to window. I select auto fit to window. Okay. Again, you have ability to insert row above and row below, column to the right and to the left. You have the same option also. Another way, let's delete again, insert column, draw table. Okay. Okay. You can add another column, another one here. Okay. It's up to you. For example, I divide this one to a specific column and row. In the same way, you have ability to add another column to the right and to the left. Also, you have ability to add another row above or below. Also, you have ability to split a specific cell. That's all. Have a nice time.